Hello friends, today I have taken a question from JEE main. It is based on trigonometry solution of the trigonometry equation. The number of elements in set S, theta belongs to closed interval 0 to 2 pi, 3 cos power 4 theta minus 5 cos square theta minus 2 sine power 6 theta plus 2 equals to 0. That means you have to find how many solutions. Options are 10, 12, 9, 8. So let's begin. So here you can see that two terms are in cos and one term is in sine. So first we'll convert this into sine cos. Okay. So what we'll do, I'll write, we know that sine power 6 theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta power 3. So rewriting the question, 3 cos power theta minus 5 cos square theta minus twice 1 minus cos square theta whole power 3 plus 2 equals to 0, or 3 cos power 4 theta minus 5 cos square theta. I am expanding this, a minus b whole cube 1 minus cos power 6 theta minus 3 cos square theta plus 3 cos power 4 theta plus 2 equals to 0. So let us simplify. 3 cos power 4 theta minus 5 cos square theta minus 2 plus 6, it's not 6, it is 2. 2 cos power 6 theta plus 6 cos square theta minus 6 cos power 4 theta plus 2 is 0. So 2 will cancel. Then we arrange them. So we'll get first 2 cos power 6 theta and 3 and minus 6 cos 4 theta will gives us minus 3 cos power 4 theta, and here 1 cos square minus 5 plus 6. This gives us cos square theta equals to 0. So it is simple now. We can take cos square theta outside. So I'll get 2 cos power 4 theta minus 3 cos square theta plus 1 equals to 0. So we split it into two factors. Now either cos square theta is 0 or this term is 0, where I'll take cos square theta as y so that I can split the middle term. So first condition is case 1, cos square theta is 0. So this gives me cos theta equals to 0 and cos theta is equal to 0. This gives us theta is equal to pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. The interval is 0 to twice pi included. Now case 2, I am taking let cos square theta be y. Directly you can write, but I am writing 2y square minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation in y. This gives me y equals to 3 plus minus 9 minus 8 whole upon 4, or y equals to 3 plus minus 1 by 4. This gives us two values. This gives us y equals to 4 plus 4 divided by 4 is 1. Y is equal to 1 and y equals to 1 by 2. So what is y? Y was cos square x. So cos square x is 1. That means cos x equals to plus minus 1. And second case, cos square x equals to half. This gives us cos x equals to plus minus 1 over root 2. Now when cos x equals to 1, that means x equals to 0, and cos x equals to minus 1, that means x is equals to pi. One thing we have to remember that here, though the interval was 0 to 2 pi, closed interval, but 2 pi is not considered. So we are taking only x is equal to 0. I am not taking cos x is equal to 2 pi. So there are two values for x. Cos x equal to plus minus 1, and when cos x equals to plus 1 by root 2, this gives us x is equal to pi by 4 and x equals to 7 pi by 4. And when cos x is equals to negative 1 by root 2, x equals to 3 pi by 4, or x equals to 5 pi by 4. So let us compile the result. How many solutions are possible now? First it was 0. First x was 3 pi by 2. Then 3 pi by 2. For 0 we got these two values. And for x equal to 1 we got x equals to 0 and x is equal to pi. And for x is equal to 1 by root 2 we got pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. And for negative 1 by root 2 we get 3 pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. So there are 8 solutions, not the lines 9 solution. 2 pi will not be considered here. So 4 is the correct answer for this solution. So there are 8 solutions. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.